Hey guys, does anyone else have a plushie obsession like I do? I love my plushies, and I think, like I said in my last video, Evie is really into Halloween right now, dressed as Pikachu. Pika Pika. But we went to Target when we shouldn't have. Our Target never gets stocked very well. And recently it's been having some really good restocks. And today, this is one of the best restocks. I mean, it had Sword and Shield everywhere. And so today, we're doing Sword and Shield packs. Let's go. Okay, so I've taken off the wrapping off of these, but first off, we're gonna dive into the tin because we actually know what's in this, and it is just beat. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this thing is dented all over, and it is dusty and nasty, and I am so excited because I love when things are just kind of forgotten about. And wait, what is that? Do you guys see what I see? Do you see what I see? That's not what it said. Wait, hold on. Wait. It definitely says 2 Brilliant Stars and 3 Fusion Strike. What is that in there? Like, surprise! Yay! Oh man, that is so exciting. Okay, hold on, first off, I don't even know how to get this out of here. We've got our Rowlet promo with the Cosmos pattern. Oh, so nice. This is a Black Star promo too. I think that looks amazing. I've opened this tin before, I have them, but from 2022, and this is really cool opening something. Oh my gosh. Please don't hurt the cords. Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. There's Ashwat. Ooh, that is shiny. I love that. It is really cool opening this 2 years later, even though I've already opened it before, because it was a while ago. There's Black Star promo right on. And then last but definitely not least, oh my gosh, don't hurt the card. Don't hurt the card. It's got these weird thingies on it. Oh, okay. Don't worry. We got him. He's okay. Cyndaquil. He's full. I love it when they do the hollows on these basic fire types because it looks like the flame is on fire. So cool. So cool. Gosh, my hair is having a day. We tried, guys. Oh man, he looks so cool. We're gonna keep that Sylveon tin there. We have this really cool, I can get it out, Arceus coin. That one's sick. That is sick. It's like all white and silver. Cool. Keep that right there, I love that. What is this? This is not what they said would be in here. And I thought maybe they traded it for Brilliant Stars, but they didn't. There's 2 Evolving Skies in here. 2 Fusion Strike and a Brilliant Stars, and it's the Charizard one and Sylveon. What is this? This is crazy. These were just lying in the warehouse or the back of a Target. Oh my god, best day ever. Let's see what else is in here though. We have our, oh my gosh, so many stickers. More stickers. I love these. I have these, I love these. They're so cute. So cool. Oh, this one does come with the notebook. When these tins came with notepads, Again, it doesn't say on the front that it comes with a notepad. so cool. Oh, it's textured on the back. Like, I have one of these, but like from 2 years ago. It's probably destroyed by now. This is way cooler than I remember it to be. And then it comes with its little like mini binder, which are super fun. We give these to my 1.5-year-old son, and we fill it with little adorable common cards for him. So he has his own little binder and he loves it. And just so you guys can see, that's the end of inside the tin. But I cannot believe what we found in this tin. That's insane. All right, so before we open those, let's see what's in this beautiful Sylveon tin. I thought I was gonna do that gracefully, but I did not. Okay, all right, first off, we have our beautiful Sylveon promo. Look at that, so cute. So cute. This is an amazing throwback. Oh my gosh, go on the sleeve. Also, Black Star promo. Oh, so pretty. You're gonna go right there. And it's got that honeycomb background. And I remember somebody telling me about the honeycomb background. I can't remember. Does that mean it's like a second print or a first print? I don't remember. Oh, okay. Remember, we don't know what's in here. Brilliant Stars. Fusion Strike. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more Evolving Skies. Oh my gosh, I tried not to get my hopes up because they don't usually have Evolving Skies. Oh my gosh. Guys, just, oh, that was really loud. Just so you know, because Evolving Skies goes for like, I don't even know, like $12, $20 a pack right now. I got the Sylveon tin for $19.99. What a lineup. And I got the tin with all of the goodies and even the notepad that it said it didn't come with, and it does. And it didn't say it came with Evolving Skies, but it does. For $29.99. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better lineup if I tried. It's been like almost 10 minutes and we haven't opened anything, so let's rip into these. I love, the packaging is very different from Scarlet and Violet now. I feel like Scarlet and Violet packs are a lot like, I don't know, not as loose. But I do remember it being this way. And like I said, I went into my actual Target and bought these. This is not something I got offline. This is not from an irreputable seller. These are real. This is real life. And our first Fusion Strike. I am not looking at the code cards. I don't like that the older sets have the code card colors. Psychic Energy, way to start. Yellow borders, throwback, so excited. Oh man, okay, contain yourself. Contain yourself, cords. Psychic Energy, we have Zarude, Delcatty, Darkrai, Cuffant, Gligar, Skitty, Slugma, Phalanx, alright, Cross Switcher Reverse, and a Butterfree Holo. All right. Back when holos were hits. All right, let's continue on with Fusion Strike. We are still looking for the Sleeping Espeon, the Alt Art Mew, the Alt Art Gengar. We're looking for anything fun, honestly. Darkness Energy, oof. Right around Halloween. Garbodor, we have Marshtomp, Eldegoss, Arrokuda, Snubble, Geodude, Sizzlipede, Klefki, Helioptile reverse, and a Galarian Corsola. All right. Pull rates for Rough and Sword and Shield. This is just exciting to me. I'm just here for the good vibes and the good times. And starting off with a Jinx. Look at that thing. So creepy. It wants to kiss you. Oops. Almost gave away the hit. Alright. Leaf Energy. Galarian Linoone. Stantler. Gliscor. At Jinx. Mantine. Grubbin. Rotom. Smeargle. Phalanx Reverse. And a Deoxys Hollow. Alright. Again, Hollows used to be hits. Oh, brilliant stars, brilliant stars, brilliant stars. I don't know. Whoops. Sorry, Charizard. Kiss you for good luck. I have a good feeling about that Whimsicott one. You'd think it'd be the Charizard, but I feel it in the Whimsicott. Let's see what happens. Four. Back when there was also a pack trick. I'm so nostalgic. Metal Energy. We have Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Prinplup, Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Minccino, Trapinch Reverse. Alright. And a Mimikyu V. I love this V. Looks so cool. Oh my god, these look so different. Scarlet and Violet has these shiny, like, stars everywhere. And you forget the V's. They're shiny, but they look so different. So different. I love this Mimikyu though. He's cool. It's gonna go right here. Great. That was it. Feel good about this Whimsicott one. I don't know what to expect in these. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Okay. Darkness Energy. And you know, Evolving Skies has like the hardest, most intense hit rates. Can't get anything out of them. So I'm really just, I don't have my hopes up for it. Pachirisu, Turtwig, Sneasel. Just getting a hollow out of Evolving Skies is like a serious hit. Spiritomb, Axew, Dusknoir Reverse, and this thing haunts the Brilliant Stars. Wormdam. Alright. Now I was expecting 0 packs of Evolving Skies and I now have 4. And 2 of them are Sylveon, one's an Umbreon, and one is a Duraludon, which is a transformer, not a house. Just so you all are know. And I love Duraludon, so I mean, I love Sylveon and Umbreon more, of course, but I do like Duraludon. I have a Duraludon deck, whether it goes anywhere or not. All right, let's go Evolving Skies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have always wanted, and I know I will not get today, I'm not even gonna try, I've always wanted a Moonbreon though, just like every other little child and their mother. I don't know if I'll ever see it, but if I could just get, you know, one of the, I don't know, it's a cool Victini Hollow. Okay, see? A hollow. A hollow. That Espeon I have back there is an alt art from Evolving Skies. I also have the Glaceon alt art. I got them both out of Costco bundles. The Evolving Skies ETB bundles from, oh, 2 years ago or something. I got 2 of those, and one had the Espeon alt art and one had the Glaceon alt art, and it was best day ever. But this is close second because I just wasn't expecting it. All right. Oh no. Fighting Energy. We have Crustle. We have Switching Cups. Elemental Badge. Teddiursa. Oh my goodness. They are really sticking together. Phoebus. Hoppip. Hitmonchan. Fletching. Love Disc Reverse. Come on. Alright. Umbreon V. So beautiful. It came out to greet me because I didn't get the Umbreon tin, I guess. Came out of my Sylveon tin. Alright, alright. I love this Umbreon. So cute. Alright. Clean up your mess. Good luck. Good luck, Sylveon. 2 packs left. We can do this. Oh my goodness. That one did not want to come apart. Oops. Not Scarlet and Violet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Grass Energy. We have Boldor, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Sableye, Nickit, Bergmite, Carvana, Emolga, Galarian Articuno Reverse, and a Zoroark Hollow. Pull rates are rough, but the fact that we get to open this at all is incredible. So, no complaints here, but just so you know guys, the tins at Target actually have Evolving Skies. I knew that getting a hit was going to be almost impossible because nobody can get a hit out of Evolving Skies anymore. I don't know what it is, it just doesn't happen. Flabébé, Drowsy, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, Rayhan Reverse, and Lilligant non-holo. That was just really exciting to open up Evolving Skies, Brilliant Stars, and Fusion Strike at all. We still got that Mimikyu V and that Umbreon V. I really wish we had gotten some trainer galleries or alt arts, but you know what? That was just super fun, and I'm so excited that Evolving Skies still exists in a store for a decent price and not $20 a pack. I got an entire tin for $20. So that was hype. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have seen any of these tins in your Target lately, and if you'll be picking any of them up because they are still at regular MSRP. I'm so excited for the next time I get to do this. Thank you guys so much and have a wonderful day.